Hello and welcome to the LP's online education portal. I'm going to show you how to access the website, view your assignments for the day, and access your class and subject teacher resources. First, on your iPad, open up the Safari browser, and then go to the browser input bar and type in lponline2020.weebly.com. That will take you to the LP Online Education portal. You should see a home page with a picture of colored pencils in the back and some information regarding the website. Across the top, you'll see the home page link, then kindergarten, first grade, and an option for more. If you hover over the drop-down option for more, you'll see all grades listed, and at the bottom, subject teachers as well. If you click on one of the grades, for instance, let's click on fourth grade, you'll be taken to a page that has your classes, assignments for the day, and resources. Fourth grade will be listed here. Make sure you're in the appropriate class, and then your first day will be listed there and subsequent days above it. Make sure you check the date each time to make sure you are working on the correct homework for that day. If you'd like to access the subject teacher assignments, go down to the More panel, click on Subjects, and that will take you to a page that has art, music, phys ed, Spanish, and science listed with different resources and activities for different days. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Jay Cruson at learningproject.org, and we'll try to get you on and active as soon as possible. Thank you so much.